Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and we're going to do the walkthrough through the warranty and care hub section. This section is quite new and is placed in the settings. Here below connections we've got warranty and care. Once you are logged in to your Samsung account and you click here continue, you can see that our Z Fold 8 Ultra is eligible for Samsung Care Plus and you can have the access to this page. So the first thing, here we can tap view details and here we can see performance and some quick FAQ and help. For example, phone usage using your phone. If we enter this thing, we can see in a moment we will see FAQ, support chat with us, or remote management. So that's how it works right here. And here we can tap view warranty details. Expires August 5th, 2028. Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, model name and serial number. This warranty covers repair or replacement of defective hardware, technical support via chat and phone. Here we can go back and back, and of course here we've got other devices that we own. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see Samsung Gear Plus. 59 days left to sign up for your Hearts Z Fold 8 Ultra. We can tap Get Protection. We need to of course sign up for the Samsung Gear Plus and pay for that. Here if we scroll down even further, we can see that here we've got Troubleshooting. There is no Diagnostics, and we can do the diagnostics of our device just as it was in the Samsung Members application back then. Here you need to tap what is in the app. And actually that's how diagnostics work. Let me just show you the finishing page. I needed to skip, but here as you can see we've got 6 left to test, normal 12, action required 2. Buttons. Volume not detected because I forgot to click it. So let me volume up, volume down and power. Now it's normal, and here it's system software because it's not the latest one. But that's how it works. Here we've got this panel. So apart from that, here we've got service chatbot, and it's just AI what you are talking to. And here we've got request a repair. We can request the repair for our product, and remote management, so that some worker from the Samsung will repair our phone using some remote management tools. And actually that's all we've got here in this section. We can see just service history in here, and the settings such as Samsung account, privacy notice, permissions, notifications, and about warranty and care. Actually that's all. Bye.